How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the brand new Sigma Art 17-40 F1.8 DC for your crop sensor camera. This is the actual box that it comes in right from the factory. So very, very nice quality box. And first things first, we've got the little pamphlet here, which I'm sure we're not going to read, but yeah, okay, we'll put that aside. Don't really care about that. And we will take this piece off the top right here. Very, very nice protectant box that they have. And there is our lens itself wrapped in a nice casing. And this looks to be the lens hood. And this is wrapped in a piece of paper as well. So let's actually take the lens hood out first, if I can. All right, we're gonna rip that. There we go. Good quality feel lens hood though, that's nice. And we'll take the lens out. And besides that, that's everything else in the box, just the protectant packaging in there. So I'll put the box aside. And here we've got a really nice case, like a cloth case or nice case. I don't know what to call it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the lens out of here and we will test it on two cameras as well. And there we have the lens itself. So we got the custom button right here. Click on and off for your rotation click. We've got the another custom button right here, your focus manual or automatic focus on there. And then you can see right here, 17-40, and it's an internal zoom, so you're not gonna see anything. We'll take that cover off right there, and you can see the beautiful lens. And when we turn the zoom, you can see it zoom on the inside. There we go, but nothing on the outside. And we look at the back right here, all metal, weather sealed, very, very good quality. So super, super nice. Let's go ahead and test it on some cameras. So first camera we're gonna test it on is the Sony a6700. So I'm gonna take off my Viltrox 27mm. Obviously this is for a Sony system, but you can get it for multiple other systems as well. So there's my a6700 with a cage on it. And we're obviously gonna align that little dot right to the dot on the Sony camera and then click, and there we go. So that's it from the side. And if we can kind of fit it all in frame right here, there you go. But overall, it feels nice. I mean, it's a bigger lens. It feels solid. It's a little bit heavy, but I mean, for what it offers, it is absolutely amazing. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. This is the Sony ZV-E10 II. So let's go ahead and throw that on that one. So it's a smaller camera. And we'll go ahead and take that off and throw it right onto there. We'll put our a6700 aside, and there we have it on the ZV-E10 Mark II. Very cool. Let's put the lens hood on. The lens hood is quite big, and we can see what it looks like. So there you go. When you have the lens hood on, it definitely looks massive, but nonetheless, what a quality, great looking lens. And I'm going to have fun with this.